In this video, we're going to replace the rear wiper on this 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. The first step to replace this windshield wiper is grab the arm, open it up until it hits stop, take the wiper, rotate it, keep rotating until it slides off. There's a bar that it rotates on and two little pins that slide into a channel. To replace it, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to find our two pins, we're going to place them on the same side. We're going to find our bar, slide over, put the bar into the channel, and slide the pins into their channel. Rotating back, and you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.